Have you ever wondered what the bottom of the sun looks like? Until recently, no one had ever seen it. But now, thanks to a powerful space telescope called Solar Orbiter, scientists have finally captured the first image of the sun's mysterious far side, its bottom half that faces away from Earth. This may sound like science fiction, but it's a real breakthrough in space science. And it's more important than you might think. The sun is massive, hot, and constantly changing. It gives us light and heat, but it can also send dangerous solar flares and storms toward Earth. That's why scientists have been studying the sun for decades, to better understand how it works and how it affects our planet. But here's the problem: we only ever see one side of it from Earth. Just like the moon has a dark side, the sun has a far side we rarely get to observe. That's why this new image is such a big deal. So, how did we get this first image of the sun's bottom? It's all thanks to the Solar Orbiter, a joint mission by the European Space Agency and NASA. This spacecraft was launched in 2020 and is flying closer to the sun than any previous mission. It's loaded with high-tech instruments designed to study the sun's surface, atmosphere, and magnetic fields. On its journey, Solar Orbiter is changing its path so it can view the sun from new angles, including from below. This new image was taken when the orbiter reached a unique position. For the first time, it tilted its orbit to see the bottom of the sun. Think of it like flying a drone under a giant ball of fire and snapping a picture from underneath. The result is a photo that shows patterns, spots, and structures we've never seen before. It's like lifting the curtain on a side of the sun that's been hidden for billions of years. Why does this matter? First, seeing the whole sun helps scientists predict solar weather more accurately. Solar storms can damage satellites, knock out power grids, and mess with GPS signals. If we understand where those storms come from, even on the far side of the sun, we can prepare better. Imagine knowing a storm is coming days before it hits. That's the kind of power this new image can give us. Second, studying the sun's poles and lower regions can help us understand its magnetic field. The sun's magnetic activity follows an 11-year cycle. Sometimes it's calm, and other times it's extremely active. Right now, we're approaching a peak in this cycle, called the solar maximum. During this time, the sun will release more flares and radiation. By seeing its bottom side, we can learn how these patterns form and how energy moves across the entire star. But the image is not just useful, it's also beautiful. The photo shows a glowing, textured surface with swirling features. Some areas are darker and cooler, while others are bright and intense. Scientists are analyzing these details to look for clues about solar activity. What's exciting is that they might find something completely new, phenomena we've never even imagined. That's the power of seeing something for the first time. The Solar Orbiter's mission is far from over. Over the next few years, it will keep adjusting its orbit to get better views of the sun's poles and far side. Each new image and dataset will help build a 3D understanding of our star. And with artificial intelligence and machine learning tools, scientists can now process this massive data faster than ever before. That means we're entering a new era of space weather forecasting, one where we may someday predict solar activity like we predict the weather here on Earth. You might be wondering, can this help us with life on Earth? Absolutely. Solar energy, communication systems, aviation, and even astronauts in space are affected by the sun. The more we know about it, the better we can protect our technology and our lives. It's like getting to know the beating heart of our solar system. And now we're finally seeing it from all sides. This moment is also a reminder of how far science has come. Just a few decades ago, the idea of photographing the bottom of the sun would have sounded impossible. But now, thanks to international cooperation, cutting-edge engineering, and bold imagination, we're doing it. It shows us that the universe is full of secrets waiting to be discovered, and we're only just beginning. So the next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your face, remember, there's a whole other side to it, one we've only just seen for the first time. The Solar Orbiter is up there right now, sending back images that will rewrite what we thought we knew about our star. It's a story of science, discovery, and curiosity, and we all get to be part of it. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll keep bringing you more stories from the edge of space, the frontiers of science, and the future of technology. Stay curious, stay informed, and as always, keep looking up.